Lance, magbabay ka na.
Bye-bye.
Ayun, ingat.
Na kayo umuwi. Huwag na kayong bumalik. Bye. Move!
Yan na natin na videoan yung ano.
I'm wrapping your box so you don't come back.
Really, Daddy? Hindi mo.
Maganda yung daw natin.
Wag, bibigat masyado, loves.
Me too.
Yeah, you're going to the Philippines too?
Me too.
Are you going to the Philippines?
I want to see.
Wait.
I want to see.
Free
Oh,
ticket.
ano na yan, Jared? What happened to you? Oh no.
Yeah.
Gonna go to the plane like this. Bye.
Finish video. No, no. Alintas.
Oh, lakas na.
Alaglag.
Ah.
Salmon. Kaya, Labs? Ha?
Malamig yung ba?
Kahay ka na. Wala.
No, dala yun. Ito na kayo lang.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Grabe, pagod. Oh. Oh. Bye-bye, Labs.
Okay na.
Bye-bye.
Bye, love you.
Go, 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 go. Jared, go. Walk. Okay, we're gonna go. Okay. Put that one. E? Shish. 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 Daryl. Ate Yumi. Ate Yumi. Hello. Ate Yumi. Say hi to Mommy's vlog. We're at Vancouver.
Why don't we have this in chat?
Where? Yeah. Car behind you. We're in Vancouver. Come on. Oh, stop na eh. Loaded. Oh. Dami. Where are you? Where are you going? Hong Kong. Hong Kong. And then after Hong Kong, you're going to where? Where in Philippines? Nina. Okay, bye. See you later. God, super tired ang mami with this tree. Oh, you all guys wearing red. Yeah. Super tired. Grabe, hindi na ako nakapag-video ng iba dahil sobrang pagod na ang mami. Ang sakit ng katawan ko dahil dito sa iyakin na to. May sakit kasi. Kakagising lang ni Jario. So late na siyang kumain. Ito yung food niya. It's chicken. Tumigil din kakaiyak. Mia, pagod. Oh. Watching Mario. Maga pa rin. Hindi na ako nakakita ng dilim. Iwanag pa rin niya.
Mommy, Jared's book is outside. Mommy, Jared's book is outside.
We're here at Hong Kong. Look, guys. Tired? But still smiling. That's good. Tita Ron, how's the
I'm
flight?
tired. It's the longest thing I ever did in my life.
Okay, putya. Nakakapagod na biyahe. Ano, WY? It says WY. W1, I mean. Woo.
We did it in your car seat.
Oh. Okay, let's go. Oh, linis ka naman. Okay, go. Look at Mommy Jaril. Yummy. Okay, let's go. Come on, baby guys. Come on. We gotta go. Come on. Did you use the baby toilet? No. Jaril used the baby toilet. Alright, let's go. Hong Kong na the Philippines. Tulog si Jaril. Ay, sa wakas. Natulog na si Bunso. Pagod. Si Nabit.
Go get the dinosaur na lang.
Si Jared na to.
Dinosaur.
Di ka ba, mga nakatatawa sa akin mo. Jaril.
Pinagpapaliguan
Kasi agad din to sa wakas.